If you're over 60, your body could be showing early signs of rising blood sugar long before diabetes is diagnosed. Most seniors miss these warning signals. Prediabetes often develops silently. By the time obvious symptoms appear, blood sugar may already have been elevated for years. The good news is that recognizing these early warning signs gives you the chance to take action before permanent damage occurs. Today's video reveals 7 early signs many seniors ignore, along with simple habits that may help protect your long-term health. Stay until the end because one of these signs is commonly mistaken for normal aging, even though it can be an early blood sugar warning. This video is for education only and should never replace professional medical advice or diagnosis. If you enjoy practical health tips designed for adults over 50, subscribe and join thousands of viewers learning how to stay healthier longer. Now, let's begin with the first warning sign that often appears long before diabetes is diagnosed. Many people think feeling tired is simply part of getting older. But persistent fatigue can sometimes have another hidden cause. Let's look at the first sign you should never ignore if you're over 60. Sign number 7, feeling unusually thirsty. Constant thirst that doesn't seem to go away can sometimes be an early sign of rising blood sugar. When blood sugar rises, your body tries to remove excess glucose through urine, causing you to lose more water than usual. This fluid loss can leave you feeling thirsty even after drinking enough water. Occasional thirst is completely normal, especially during hot weather or after exercise. The concern is persistent thirst without an obvious reason. If excessive thirst continues together with several other symptoms, it's worth discussing with your healthcare provider. Sign number 6, frequent urination. Many people blame aging, but frequent bathroom trips can also be linked to high blood sugar. Extra glucose in the urine pulls more water with it, increasing the amount of urine your body produces. Many seniors notice they begin waking several times each night to use the bathroom without realizing blood sugar could be involved. If this change is new or becoming more frequent, don't simply assume it's a normal part of getting older. Let's continue with another early warning sign that many people completely overlook. Sign number 5, constant fatigue. If you feel tired almost every day, even after a full night's sleep, rising blood sugar may be one possible reason. When blood sugar remains high, your body's cells can't use glucose efficiently for energy. As a result, you may feel tired much sooner than usual. Many older adults assume this is simply part of aging, but persistent fatigue deserves attention, especially when it appears with other warning signs. Dr. Barbara O'Neill often emphasizes that eating whole, minimally processed foods and reducing refined sugar can support healthier blood sugar levels as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. These habits may support long-term health, but anyone with persistent symptoms should seek proper medical evaluation. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Small changes made consistently often have a greater impact than dramatic short-term diets. Sign number 4, blurred vision. Temporary blurry vision can sometimes occur when blood sugar levels become elevated. High blood sugar can temporarily affect the lens inside your eye, changing the way it focuses light. Vision changes can have many different causes. That's why it's important to have your eyes examined if blurry vision continues. Regular eye exams can sometimes identify changes linked to diabetes before serious vision problems develop. Now let's move to another warning sign that many seniors don't realize could be connected to rising blood sugar. Sign number 3, slow healing cuts and wounds. If small cuts or scrapes seem to take much longer to heal than they used to, rising blood sugar could be one possible reason. Persistently high blood sugar can affect circulation and the body's normal healing process, making it harder for wounds to recover efficiently. Many people don't notice this change until they compare how quickly injuries healed just a few years earlier. If wounds repeatedly heal slowly or frequently become infected, it's important to speak with your healthcare provider. Sign number 2, tingling or numbness in your hands and feet. This sensation may begin gradually and become more noticeable over time. Over time, elevated blood sugar can damage small nerves, particularly in the hands and feet. Some people describe this feeling as pins and needles, while others notice numbness that slowly becomes more frequent. Persistent numbness should never be ignored because it can increase the risk of unnoticed injuries. Your healthcare provider can determine whether these symptoms are related to blood sugar or another medical condition that also requires attention. Only one warning sign remains, and it's often the easiest to dismiss, even though it can be one of the earliest clues. Sign number 1, increased hunger. If you find yourself feeling hungry soon after eating, even after a full meal, rising blood sugar may be one possible cause. Even though there's plenty of glucose in the bloodstream, your body's cells may not be using it efficiently for energy. As a result, your brain may continue sending hunger signals, making you feel like you need to eat again. Occasional hunger is perfectly normal. The concern is feeling unusually hungry on a regular basis despite eating enough food. If this symptom appears together with increased thirst, frequent urination, or fatigue, don't ignore the combination. Experiencing one of these signs doesn't automatically mean you have prediabetes or diabetes. Many health conditions can cause similar symptoms. That's why proper medical evaluation is always the best way to understand what's causing these changes in your body. Simple blood tests can often identify elevated blood sugar before more serious complications develop. Early detection gives you more opportunities to work with your healthcare provider on lifestyle changes and, when appropriate, medical treatment. In the next part of this video, we'll share practical daily habits that can help support healthier blood sugar levels and overall well-being. Now let's talk about simple daily habits that may help support healthier blood sugar levels over time. The first habit is choosing more whole foods and fewer highly processed foods whenever possible. Whole foods are generally digested more slowly, helping support steadier blood sugar compared with many heavily processed foods. The second habit is staying physically active. Even moderate daily movement can benefit your overall health. You don't have to run marathons. Consistent walking and regular physical activity often provide meaningful long-term benefits. The third habit is getting enough quality sleep. Poor sleep may affect how your body regulates blood sugar. Creating a consistent bedtime routine can support both your overall health and your daily energy levels. Another important habit is staying well hydrated throughout the day. Water supports many normal body functions and is usually a better everyday choice than sugary drinks. Healthy habits work best when they're practiced consistently over time, not just for a few days or weeks. Another important step is maintaining a healthy body weight. Even modest, gradual weight loss can help improve blood sugar control for many people who are overweight. Crash diets usually don't last. Sustainable lifestyle changes are far more effective over the long term. If your doctor recommends checking your blood sugar at home, learning how to use a glucose meter correctly can provide valuable information. Keeping a simple record of your readings may help your healthcare provider better understand your progress over time. If you're over 60, regular medical checkups become even more important because many health conditions develop quietly. Routine blood tests can often detect changes before noticeable symptoms appear. If you've noticed several of today's warning signs, don't panic, but don't ignore them either. Scheduling a medical appointment early may help identify the cause and allow treatment to begin sooner if needed. Many people with prediabetes successfully improve their health through healthy lifestyle changes guided by their healthcare team. Next, let's quickly review the 7 early warning signs you should always remember. Before we finish, let's quickly review the 7 early signs that could suggest rising blood sugar or prediabetes. Number 7 was excessive thirst that continues even after drinking enough water. Number 6 was frequent urination, especially if you're waking several times during the night. Number 5 was persistent fatigue that doesn't improve even after getting enough rest. Number 4 was blurred vision that keeps returning without an obvious explanation. Number 3 was slow healing cuts or wounds that take much longer than expected to recover. Number 2 was tingling or numbness in your hands or feet that gradually becomes more noticeable. And number 1 was feeling unusually hungry even after eating a satisfying meal. Remember, these symptoms don't automatically mean you have diabetes. Many other medical conditions can cause similar changes. What matters most is recognizing persistent changes early and discussing them with your healthcare provider instead of waiting for symptoms to become more serious. Healthy aging isn't about being perfect. It's about making small choices every day that support your long-term health. Eating balanced meals, staying active, sleeping well, and keeping regular medical appointments can all help protect your future health. If you've been experiencing several of today's warning signs, don't wait for them to become worse before taking action. Many people discover elevated blood sugar during a routine checkup before serious complications ever develop. That's why regular health screenings become even more valuable after the age of 60. The earlier changes are identified, the more opportunities you may have to improve your health with your healthcare team. Your body often gives quiet signals long before serious illness develops. Learning to recognize those signals is one of the best investments you can make in your health. Knowledge doesn't replace your doctor, but it can help you ask the right questions at the right time. A healthier future often begins with one simple decision to pay attention to your body's early warning signs. Small healthy habits practiced consistently today can make a meaningful difference in the years ahead. Remember, this video is designed to help you become more aware, not to diagnose a medical condition. If today's information was helpful, consider sharing it with someone you care about. It might encourage them to recognize an important warning sign early. Thank you for spending these few minutes investing in your health. Let's continue learning how to live stronger, healthier, and happier after 50. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe to Health After 50, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone you love. Together, we can help more people stay healthier, stronger, and more informed after 50. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care of yourself, stay active, and stay healthy.